Okay, what are the rest of the angles? Angle Y,
And angle K.
and angle K, angle S, and angle B. Very good. And the segment WY is congruent and corresponding to MK. YS is congruent and corresponding to KV. Bueno. Everybody got that? Okay. So the next two sections, 4.2 and 4.3, does everybody see I changed to a green pen? Can you tell? Well, I did. Use postulates and theorems. And if you've had this class before, you might recognize these. They are side, 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 angle, side, angle, side, angle, and angle, angle, side. We're going to use these postulates and theorems to prove triangles congruent. So, section 4.2, we're going to do the side, 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 and side, angle, side. So, the first one, the side, side, side postulate, states that if three sides of one triangle are congruent to three sides of another triangle, then the two triangles are congruent. Okay, so here's my diagram. I have triangle GHF and triangle RQP. Does anybody remember what these little tick marks mean on these sides? That they're the same lengths, correct. So, triangle GHF is congruent to triangle RQP. And the reason is because all the sides are congruent. Okay, again, if you want to follow along, I'm on page 206, and there's an example. If you look at page 206, it shows a picture of, example 1 shows a picture of a bridge, and on that bridge is drawn in yellow some triangles. And this is what the triangles look like. A, B, C, and this one is D. So what do they tell us? The given information is that AB is congruent to CB. So here we have AB and CB. I like to have a picture. And it also says that AD is congruent to CD. Once again, here we go. Okay, so they want us to prove that triangle ABD is congruent to triangle CBD. So here's ABD and here's CBD. So before we actually start the proof, okay, in the book they show you a flow chart proof. I want to do a standard 2-column proof. But before I begin, I actually want to redraw these 2 triangles, and I'm going to separate them. So, what have I got here? I've got 2 triangles, and so far I have 2 sides that are congruent. I'm studying about the side, side, side postulate. What do you think this proof is going to, what do I need to do in this proof? Go ahead, Jamin. No?
I think it's BD or equal.
Yeah, so we have to show that these last sides here are congruent. So they're the same, exactly. Everything is always equal to itself. Good job, exactly. The reflexive property. So basically, our proof is done, but I want to write it. So the statements go on the left, and the reasons why we can make those statements go on the right. What do we usually do first, but not 100% of the time?
Given.
The given, very good. AB is congruent to CB, and AD is congruent to CD. This information was given to us in the problem. Now, based on what Anthony said, we can write BD is congruent to itself, and that is indeed the reflexive property. So therefore, we can say that triangle ABD is congruent to CBD through the side, side, side postulate.
That was just one postulate.
That was one proof. That's nothing, that's little.
Is that a homework?
Nope. So everybody got this yet? Nope, another minute? I have one more proof. Okay. Another proof. So I'm going to draw the diagram. So the given information